Good morning. What is this? February 6th, Friday. Y'all made it to Friday. As I've said, every day's a Friday when you're a reseller. Okay. Yesterday, I don't think I had any sales yesterday's at the morning video. But anyway, I only finished at 83 yesterday. And are we off to 83 today? Oh, look at that. Oh, no. 85 yesterday, 83 today. Okay. 7 orders going out. But the 7 orders are $174. That's nice. So the thumbnail, yeah, I woke up to an INR today, and that's always nice to wake up to a INR. And I'm looking at the case, and the dude's message was, I haven't received it yet. I've waited long enough. And I looked at it, and I mailed this out November 19th. eBay's expected delivery date was November 25th. So yeah, November 25th. Doesn't say out for delivery, but it does on November 21st. It got stuck in Los Angeles system somewhere. I don't know what this means in transit. Maybe it's heading back to me, but I think I would have received it. So eBay policy, you have 30 calendar days from after the delivery date, which would have been December 25th is like 30 days. So now it's what, 40 days after that? So I don't know how eBay lets a case open after that 30-day date. But anyway, it's not the latest I've had. I think I had one, I think I even did a video on it. It was a year. A year later, they were able to open an INR case. But so they closed it. I'm sure they refunded his money. But his message, I waited long enough. Dude, you waited too long. That's one good thing about postcard buyers is they are very patient people, but you know what? Over 2 months, you should have sent me a message. I'm more apt to refund you, apologize if you do it within policy. But the waiting 2 months and then I've waited long enough. It just kind of irked me a little bit, and I knew eBay would. Well, I thought hoped eBay would take care of me on that, and they did. You know, maybe I got some bad juju there for not refunding, but we'll let eBay take care of that. So what do we got here? I can't tell if that's a 2. What is that? 2Z7. So 7 orders and $174. What is that? 7 orders, $174 is like $24 per order. That's got to be including shipping. So what do we got here? Red Cross finger goo. Where are? I tell you, I got 2 like boxes of finger goo for Christmas. I was able to find someone to do like private label. I'd have Popeye's finger goo. I'll hawk that on my channels. There you go. There's that one. I'm not sure if that goes eBay. I'm sorry if it goes Ground Advantage or not. We'll take a look. Nope, not that one. Dude bought some helicopters. KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines helicopters, and that one. It looks like a real photo, but it's not. I wish it was. Going overseas. I just refunded the extra shipping. Oh, there's some. Yeah, it's the I almost said mileage. It's the postage that's adding up there. So let's get AS4. Nice blue Santa. Got this at York. Let me see. Is there a price on it? No. I probably only paid a couple bucks. $1 to a couple bucks. So what's your wildest, longest INR case? Like I said, I had one that was a year. I know I did, because I'm pretty sure I did a video on it. Whether it was this time around or last year, but I know it was an extremely long time. And let me know, would you have just refunded that dude and gone? It was $4, so it's not a great deal of money. It's more of the principle right now. So would you have? Uh-oh, I can't find Santa Claus. Would you have taken care of that yourself? Would you have refunded? I don't know what would have happened if I would have just ignored the case, which I won't do. I'll never ignore a case. Let's see if there's a price. Yeah, probably $1 or $2 for a blue Santa. Or what would you have done? I mean, the guy wasn't pissy about it, kinda. He did wait long enough. So pick up blue Santas, and it's 2 months after Christmas, a month and a half after Christmas. What's this one? EA4. There it is. Coal mine, Copper's Coal Company, down in McDowell County. That's way down there. So I sell AV6. Good luck horseshoe. Wow, I got $13 for that. AV6. I really got nothing else to talk about. Hell, without the what the hell's going on my face? Let me see. Got nothing. No buys coming up. Was this F. Earl Christie? Yeah, F. Earl Christie. It says right there, John. So horseshoes and F. Earl. Oh wait, I got 2 of these. Okay, they got number 1. Okay, there's the second one. Corners are a little dinged. 6. Did more sorting yesterday. I have so much. It's the cherry pick stuff I gotta sort for listing. List. Someday I'll list. Okay, what else we got? Oh, airplane photo. Oh, it's upside down. What did I get for that? $24? Ooh, they must be overseas. That's a lot of money to pay for shipping. US, I only charge $6 in shipping. We'll get to that. And then this one, AS17. Jeez, I was just down there. AS17. How have your sales been and all that good stuff? Not a bad 2 days. That's 2 days together. That's why it's $174. So hopefully today's a little better. There's that one. That's it. Gonna be another short video today. I'll look at postcard shows, but I think it's next weekend is the next postcard show. I do have a whatnot tomorrow, though. Do a quick refresh. Nothing. Yep, this weekend, next weekend, West Columbia, South Carolina, the Columbia Stamp and Postcard Show, and then a few more there in February. So go check out a postcard show. I mean, you can also go to see if there's a stamp show. Sometimes they have postcards there. Bottle shows, I've heard, are good. And then if any other, if you have an antique show coming up, like this, the Big Flea, oh, no, I don't want to sign up, is February 21st and 22nd in Edison, New Jersey. I usually go to the DC Big Flea, When's that coming up? In April. So I think there might be another show that weekend. So you can go to something like that. So just check out, just do a Google search. Like, here's the magazine Antiques, and they have a calendar of upcoming shows. So, they're out there if you want to go to those type of things. But I've always had decent luck at antique shows. There's always a vendor or two that have postcards. So, okay. Oh, Whatnot, probably be Pounders or something like that Saturday. And that's it, everybody. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have no INRs. Have a great day.